Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot 308 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, you get front and rear parking sensors. Now inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. Has two former keepers, done under 29,500 miles. It also comes with a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. Now if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.